The Asia-Pacific region is home to the fastest-growing cities in the world, and half of its urban population lives in secondary cities and towns. This rapid urbanization is stretching infrastructure resources, and climate change is sure to test the resilience of cities and their people. But careful planning of infrastructure projects today will prepare you for the climate change impacts of tomorrow, helping to meet the needs of your citizens and enable them to live more sustainable lives. We can help. Cities Development Initiative for Asia, or CDIA, is a trust fund managed by the Asian Development Bank that helps secondary cities become more livable and more climate resilient. Our development experts work closely with local authorities and stakeholders to identify your city's most pressing infrastructure needs and help you find comprehensive solutions that are not only appropriate and feasible, but also build your resilience to climate change and reduce your carbon footprint. We develop project preparation studies that cities and funding agencies understand and appreciate, and that helps cities get funding for their infrastructure projects. We also find ways for cities to maximize their capacity to be able to implement the project successfully. CDIA has supported secondary cities across Asia and the Pacific since 2007 and linked cities with billions of dollars in infrastructure financing. And every day, we're building new relationships that help cities like yours implement sustainable projects and fulfill their urban development aspirations. Visit our website, cdia.asia, today to see how your city can apply for CDIA support. CDIA, Cities Development Initiative for Asia.